Hello, people. My name is Nehemiah Reyes, and in today's lesson, we are going to talk about possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns as well. Let's start. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to say that we use pronouns and possessive adjectives to avoid repetition. It is important when reading to know which nouns particular pronouns refer back to. That is in order to understand the meaning. Pronouns can be singular or plural. We have the example of he and they. When we talk about he, we're talking about a man, a male. And when we talk about they, we're talking about two or more people. And they can be both male or female. Okay, they can be subjects or object pronouns. Example, he and him. Pronouns replace nouns. Why do we use pronouns? This is easy, and this is to avoid repetition. Okay, here I have pronouns and possessive adjectives. Okay, we have pronouns and they are divided into subject pronouns and object pronouns. And also here we have possessive adjectives. We have here subject pronouns, and I want you to repeat with me. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Let's continue with the second. They are object pronouns. Repeat with me. Me, you, him, her, it, them. And the possessive adjective. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. Okay, let's see where are they in the sentence. Okay, we can say that subject pronouns are at the beginning of a sentence because they are the subject of a sentence. The object pronouns are they can be in the middle or at the end of a sentence. And here we have possessive adjectives, and they can start a sentence too. They can be part of the subject. Let's study some examples. Okay, we have examples, and here we're talking about object pronouns and possessive adjectives. Let's see the first one. Jack gave me a present and I love it. I have to question in order to understand this sentence. Do I love Jack? No, I don't love Jack. Do I love the present? Yes. And we use it to refer to the present. To avoid writing again present, we wrote here it because it is used to talk about the objects. We have a second sentence, and this is a possessive adjective that we have here, that is her. Okay, Dana lives in London. I love her house. What do I love? Do I love Dana? No, I love her house. So in this case, her is a possessive adjective. It means possession. Let's continue. Let's see an example. Okay, here we have subject pronouns. Okay, let's study this. Carlos and Naomi are at home. They are watching TV. Okay, Carlos and Naomi are two names, and they can be replaced by, in this case, they. They is the same as saying Carlos and Naomi. In this case, we are avoiding the repetition of Carlos and Naomi. The second example, Carlos is at home. He is watching television. Okay, Carlos is a man. That's why here we wrote he, because we want to avoid writing Carlos again. So he means Carlos. The next example. Naomi is at home. She is watching TV. Okay, Naomi is a woman. That's why we wrote here she. We use she for a girl or for a woman. Let's see more examples. Here we have object pronouns. I don't like sci-fi movies. I don't like them because they are boring. Okay, what does it mean, them? What does it them refer to? Okay, them refer to movies. That's why we have them. This is movies is plural, so we need them. If here the word would be singular, then this one it would be it. Okay, now here we have a homework for you to do it in your notebooks. What are you going to do? You're going to complete this in your house. You're going to do it in your notebooks. And I will check your homework in the class in the afternoon. Thank you very much. This was a lesson about possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, and also we talk here about subject pronouns. Thank you. Bye-bye.